Hey everybody, I want to invite you to Texton's open house, which we're holding here on Thursday, June 21st and Friday, June 22nd. Our open house will run all day and we'll be serving breakfast and lunch. However, throughout the day, we'll be running training on products such as measuring and installing Plantation shutters, programming Volta and Somfy shades. We're going to make this real easy for you. And with the Somfy digital network, you're going to be able to sell true smart home technology to your customers. Measuring and installing outdoor shades and retractable awnings. This summer, Texton is going to be manufacturing a new and exciting line of retractable awnings. We're going to show you how to measure and install, and most importantly, sell retractable awnings. We're going to be showcasing our new print-on-demand technology with custom printed shades and drapery fabrics. That's right, we're printing fabric. Texton is now the Ulta distributor for the Southwest, and we're offering their complete line of products. We're going to be offering some fantastic deals on sampling. The launch of OpTex. OpTex is a new fixed solar screen that isn't ugly. It actually looks like nothing's in the window except great-looking Plantation shutters. Everyone who attends will receive a free OpTex sample screen. Speaking of free, our first 30 signups will receive a Volta Wi-Fi bridge that's going to allow you to control your motorized shades from anywhere on your cell phone. But you must attend to claim it. You play golf? Then come out to the open house on Thursday and join us at Firewheel Golf Course on Friday for an afternoon of golf. If you're traveling from outside the DFW area and need help with hotel accommodations, then please let us know. So come out on Thursday, June 21st and June 22nd, which is a Friday, and go ahead and go right below me right here. You see the reservation link for this open house. Go there, fill it out, come join us. We're going to have a good time, a lot of good things, and we look forward to seeing you there.